हेलो गाइस, गुड मॉर्निंग, राम राम जी। वीडियो भी करते हैं यहीं से शुरुआत। पूरी वीडियो देखना यार, बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग और बहुत अमेजिंग वीडियो होने वाली है ये। सो एज यू कैन सी, अभी जो हमने रात को एक पोस्टर देखा था कैफ़े में, ब्रेथ वर्क एंड इमोशनल रिलीज के बारे में, अगर आपको याद होगा तो मेरे को जो वहाँ के फैसिलिटेटर है, जो ये ब्रेथ वर्क और इमोशनल रिलीज के वर्कशॉप्स कराते हैं, वो मेरे को यहाँ पे एक्चुअली में मिल भी गए हैं। So the moment I saw it, I thought like I should document it. So is there any upcoming class you are guys?
So every Sunday we do the healing breath work at Divine Circle. The sessions start from 12 to 3 p.m. It's a 3-hour long session.
How do you think breathwork can like really help in emotional release, and what sort of emotional release? Like, is it related to past traumas as well or something like that?
When we breathe, that particular kind of breath work we facilitate, it activates the energy inside. It activates the subconscious energy that is suppressed inside us, and everything is there. Anything is suppressed in the subconscious will come up and it start to release. So mostly people don't experience and express themselves out whatever they go through, so they keep themselves back, keep the emotions stored in their body as in the subconscious. So in that breath work they come out, whether it is like traumas, even from the childhood trauma, from the womb, when the mother is experiencing some trauma, that traumas also get released in the healing breath work. And traumas from childhood that we were not able to express, we were not able to laugh freely, cry freely, people, our parents, they stop us, teachers, they stop us. So where does that energy goes? It stays stored in our cells somewhere. And so with this breath work, it start to activate, and release happen. The emotions come out. You feel, if the anger was stored, you were not able to express at some point, it come out in the form of anger, in the form of screaming, and you cry, you weep, you dance, you laugh, whatever is coming from inside, you are allowed to express, you are given a space to express there at Divine Circle.
So you both will facilitate together, or how is it like?
Myself Shiva, and she is Mahashakti. So we are together teaching this healing breath work. She assists me into this breath works.
तो महा, जैसे शिवा ने बताया कि आप भी साथ रहते हो वर्कशॉप में, तो आप कैसे ध्यान रखते हो कि जो साथ में लोग हैं जो करने सीखने आ रहे हैं दूर दूर से, वो कैसे कंफर्टेबल होते हैं?
Hi, I am Mahashakti. I am also a facilitator in the breathwork meditation. So people who come here in this breathwork meditation, they are in a very vulnerable situation where they are almost at a space where they want their emotions to come out, and they want a safe space. They want to feel that the space they're surrounded with is safe, so that they can let go of whatever they're holding back since years, maybe because trauma can be there in the body since years. So the one of the major reasons why they don't let it out, because they don't find that safe space. So we provide that space in the breathwork workshop or in the breathwork meditation. So I'm being a facilitator. I create that space by saying some words, or maybe making them feel that I'm there for them, and activating certain points in the body where the trauma is registered. So it helps them to let out whatever trauma or the emotions. It can be anger, sadness, pain, making them feel that they're not judged. Instead, they're held and they're comforted and they're loved. So this is something which I do and I feel is one of the major parts of the breath work.
So how do you feel when you see people before class and like after class? Do you find difference? Do you really find difference? And what sort of difference do you see?
See, I feel that everyone needs healing. Something or the other is always there inside us, and it hinders our life. The way we deal with the life, it always hinders because we hold up certain emotion and we suppress it under in our body. So when I see people before coming the breath work, they are really, tight with the body and maybe the mind is in certain way. But after the session, if they are breathing properly and the release is happening, then it feels as if, I see a new version of them, a healed version of them, which looks happy and, very light and joyful with maybe I've also seen people, dancing after the workshop and becoming like a, better, different version of themselves. So it's an amazing experience for me as a facilitator to see this a person coming with such, um, you know, emotions and then suddenly transforming itself. Because if I speak about my experience of doing breath work, also I had like a stream of emotions from anger, pain, and then sadness, and then suddenly in the end there is a joy where you feel that okay, the release has happened and now I can dance and I'm free. So I feel this emotions which you hold inside, once you throw them out, it sets you free, and the free person is always happy and joyful. So this is what I have seen.
यार मुझे अभी भी विश्वास नहीं हो रहा है कि ये चीज़ें सही में वर्क करती है. मतलब आपका ट्रॉमा रिलीज़ हो रहा है कोई, लाइक रियलिटी में कोई ट्रॉमा रिलीज़ हो रहा है. हाउ इज़ इट इवन पॉसिबल? परमिशन तो मिल गई है रिकॉर्ड करने की, बट लेट्स सी ये वीडियो बन पाएगी भी या नहीं, लोग परमिशन दे पाएंगे भी या नहीं. तो इसलिए संडे को इसलिए टाइम से जाना पड़ेगा.
part of it, be part of this world by feeling it and not just by going neutral.
I don't think I've ever let my mind rest so much in my body, let my thoughts and let my body lead me on.
Down into like a red rocky depth. And proud of you for the lightness that I feel.
थैंक यू गाइज फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो। आई रियली होप आपको ये वीडियो बहुत अच्छी लगी हो यार। और काफ़ी मेहनत लगती है यार ऐसी वीडियोस बनाने के लिए, काफ़ी एनर्जी लगती है। आई प्रॉमिस यू इफ़ यू सब्सक्राइब मी राइट नाउ, मैं ऐसा कंटेंट बनाता रहूँगा और ऐसा कंटेंट आपके लिए लाता रहूँगा, ट्रस्ट मी। और काफ़ी अच्छी वीडियोस हमने प्लान करी हुई हैं और जो आने भी वाली है इस चैनल पे, सो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब। बाकी इफ़ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड फॉर दिस ब्रेथ वर्क इन ऋषिकेश, मैं नंबर डाल दूंगा नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में। गो एंड टॉक टू शिवा, ही इज़ अ वेरी नाइस गाय। पर्सनली मुझे काफ़ी पसंद आया, उसको कराने का तरीका काफ़ी अच्छा लगा मेरे को। मैं ज़्यादा रिव्यूज़ तो ले नहीं पाया लोगों के कि उनको कैसा फील हुआ करके एक्चुअली में करके, बट आई कैन एश्योर यू लाइक पीपल वर सो हैप्पी व्हेन दे लेफ्ट। पीपल वर सो हैप्पी व्हेन दे लेफ्ट दैट स्पेस, व्हेन दे लेफ्ट दैट स्टूडियो, व्हेन दे लेफ्ट दैट सेंटर, कह लो कुछ भी कह लो। ये कोई एडवर्टाइजिंग और प्रमोशन वीडियो नहीं है, बस ये मेरा अपना एक्सपीरियंस था जो कि मैं आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करना चाहता था। थैंक यू गाइज फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो एंड थैंक यू फॉर सब्सक्राइबिंग मी। मुझे पता है आप ये वीडियो देख के यू आर गोइंग टू सब्सक्राइब। थैंक यू गाइज, लव यू सो मच। Oh!